Hello, everybody. We're Team 3, and our project for this quarter was the Discord chatbot, and this is our final progress update. So our original objective for this project was to implement a Discord bot that would help De Anza students in their class Discords be more productive and just generally make their lives easier. So in order to fulfill our objective, we decided to have a Discord bot that would have certain functionalities that would be useful for De Anza students. Just a little background on the Discord bot. The Discord has an API that allows programmers to easily program Discord bots. This API has a lot of methods, and they all basically do the heavy lifting for us, and they all come together to create this Discord bot that is implementable on Discord servers. So our focus for this bot is to increase efficiency and productivity amongst De Anza students. And currently the Discord bot is on a cloud server and is up 24/7. So the Discord bot has 4 core functionalities. The first functionality is the ability for users to set and update homework and test reminders. The second is to solve simple arithmetic expressions. The third is to search up De Anza classes using keywords. And the fourth is to search up professors on Rate My Professors. So the first functionality, again, is the set and update homework/test deadlines. The current status of the functionality is that users can sort of have a back and forth with the bot, allowing the bot to gain more and more information about what test/homework that needs to be updated. And then once the homework and test is all finished, then it will be stored in a database using the Replit database. And then it will, when the time comes, the bot will ping everybody on the Discord server and let them know that the homework and test is due. So the second functionality is the arithmetic solver. The arithmetic solver is essentially just a simple calculator. We decided to have this functionality because we decided that De Anza students would be able to benefit from this functionality. The functionality currently is able to take an input, such as a simple arithmetic expression right there, such as 235 plus 123. And then the bot will output the answer 358. One important thing to note here is that the functionality has a try and accept clause, making sure that the input from the user is a math expression. If it is not a math expression, then the bot will print out an error. And this functionality is complete, as is the last functionality. The third functionality that we decided to have is the class searcher. This one was a bit more complicated than the other two because it needs to use web scraping, and it needs to be scraped from the De Anza website. So the functionality uses a module called Beautiful Soup, which basically allows programmers to get information from websites. And the Beautiful Soup basically stores all the websites in its object, and then the programmer can then get the information if it is needed. Currently, the user can input a keyword from the class, and then the bot will scrape the website, the De Anza class website, for all the classes that have the keyword in it. And then after that, it will print it out, as you can see in the user/bot interaction. One possible update to the bot, because it is somewhat primitive right now, is that we could add the spaces, like how many spaces are in each class, to the output. However, that was a bit difficult because the De Anza class website is coded in HTML, and the HTML isn't coded that well. So the tags are a bit messed up, and it would take a lot more work to get just a little bit more information. So that is a work in progress for us. And lastly, our last functionality for the Discord bot is the professor search. So our Discord bot, again, uses web scraping and Beautiful Soup to get information, this time from the Rate My Professor's website. And then the user will input a professor name, and then the bots will scrape the data from Rate My Professors to get the score that the teacher has, the would take again rates, the level difficulty, and the top comments for the professor. One thing to note for this is that the bot scrapes the website 2 times. So the functionality is a bit slow because it's web scraping does take a lot of memory and use a lot of the processes. So it is a bit slow, but I don't think that can be really helped. And the data is again stored in the Replit database and is outputted when needed. Amir, are you okay?
All right. Can you guys hear me now?
Yeah.
All right. So for final testing and evaluation, we added an engineering bot to the Anza class Discord servers where we could do our experiment testing. And also users can pull up a Google form to submit feedback or any ideas or anything that could be useful for us. And we also created a counter to see how many times each functionality has been used or has been clicked, which help us to add more stuff, like add more features and functionality in the future. For server hosting and final touches, server is currently up and running 24/7, and it's using Replit Cloud hosting. Yeah. And all of the functionalities are completely done and it's working. And future future additions can be made based on the feedback. Like we will in the future go over the feedbacks that we receive, and we'll decide what other functionality can be added to our server. For
Amir, your audio is kind of cutting out. I could get this one. Basically, from the feedback we got, Professor Search was used the most, followed by the other 3. Basically, it was most likely due to the timing, given that summer classes are open, and that's generally what people would use it for. Oh, there it is. This is our final planner. We kind of stuck to what we were aiming for, generally. Out of everything, testing and bug fixing would still kind of extend past the completion date of a function. And for the workload, everyone was contributing to the coding. Mostly Ben and myself were like doing the actual most of the coding, but Amir was doing a lot of the planning and testing and bug fixing. So it's pretty even distribution, I'd say. Okay, so in conclusion, basically the bot is complete. It's up to spec for what we planned. All the 4 functions work. It's running 24/7. It's now accepting user feedback. Overall, we learned about the Discord API.